In this video I'm going to show you how to unread a message on iPhone. So you want to open up your messages, but before I show you, if you do this, it doesn't actually unread it for the other person, it just unreads it for you so that you know if you maybe open it but you forgot to reply and that you need to get back to it later. So just go from left to the right, and once it's done you will see this blue icon at the left side. It means that you have unread it. If I open the message, go back, you can see that it's gone because I have read it. If I click on edit and then select messages, I can click on a few accounts and click unread, and now for all of these accounts now I have this blue icon. If you just want to read it or just say that you have read it, just do this from left to the right for all of those. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.